Brazil arrived at the 2026 World Cup with Carlo Ancelotti, the most decorated manager in European football history. Vinicius Junior, the best player at Real Madrid, 50 caps for Brazil tonight, 24 years since the last title. They drew 1-1 with Morocco. Morocco did not read the script. Here is what actually happened. In the first 10 minutes, Brazil had 0 shots. Morocco had 5. 0. The team waiting 24 years could not get a shot off in the first 10 minutes. 21st minute. Brahim Diaz. Perfect through ball. Saibari. Acres of space between the Brazilian center-backs. He chipped Alisson. Morocco won Brazil 0 in New York in front of a packed stadium. That is not supposed to happen. Then Vinicius Junior. 50 caps for Brazil. Tonight, he received the ball wide and deep on the left. No angle, no space. He cut inside. Top corner. 1-1. 8 times before tonight, when Vinicius scored for Brazil, Brazil won. Every single time. Tonight was different. After the match, Carlo Ancelotti spoke. Satisfied? Not really. The most decorated manager in football history. 1 match into his first World Cup. Already not satisfied. In the 99th minute, Alisson made a double save to keep Morocco from winning. Brazil escaped. Here is something about Brazil. They have not lost their opening World Cup match since 1934, 17 wins, 4 draws in a row. Tonight was number 22, still unbeaten. Morocco reached the semi-finals in 2022. No African team had ever done that. They lost to France in the semi-final, but tonight, against Brazil, they showed that was no accident. They are not a surprise anymore. They are a contender. Brazil have topped their group in every World Cup since 1982. Tonight that record is under threat, and Scotland are currently top of Group C. Scotland. Both teams play again in a few days. Brazil face Haiti. On paper, the easiest match in Group C, but Brazil looked uncertain tonight. Haiti will know that. Morocco face Scotland. Scotland are currently top of Group C. Group C is not done, not even close. Brazil, 24 years, Carlo Ancelotti, Vinicius Junior, 1-1 against Morocco. Not really satisfied. Neither are we. The game has not changed. You have? You're welcome.